Hey guys, this is Isabella. Today I'm going to show you how we open this map into Google Earth. So first you want to go here, the three pancakes. You want to press Open in Earth and it should take you to Google Earth. Just wait for it to load. It's still loading. Hang on, so close. Just get this to load. Load. Sorry. Usually it doesn't take that long to load. Here, hang on. So, I'm gonna do the Wi-Fi thingy. I'm gonna reload the page because, sorry guys. Just wait for this to load. Really hope this works. Alright, here we are. So, let's wait. Oh no. Yeah, see? So it opened up here. If you can't see that. And here is our tour. So yeah, bye.